Good morning, children. Sai Ram. I hope you all are doing well. Now, you know what are we going to learn today? It's very, very interesting. We are going to do which subject? It's creative English. I had already told you before that creative English subject is a subject where you will learn new things. Okay? For example, our today's topic is what is our today's topic? Anyone guesses? Yeah, it's vegetables. Okay, so now we all know the name of the vegetables, but there are many vegetables which you don't know what to say in English. Yes, so I am going to show you today few vegetables and we are going to learn what those vegetables are called in English. Okay, children, are you ready? Yes, shall we start? You will see a new vegetables which you have not seen before. You will also see the vegetables uh, which you eat daily, but you don't know what it is called in English. Okay? We are going to see new vegetables also. We are going to see the vegetables which we are using regularly, but we don't know what it is called. So many vegetables we are going to see today. Okay? You just have to remember the name of the vegetable. Okay, children? Let's start. Our first vegetable is. Can you say what is this? Anyone? Yes, you are right. They are tomatoes. They are tomatoes. But you know, they are very small in size. We use a tomato of this size or this size, right? But this is such a small size. You can see here. Yes, if you hold in hand, it is small size like a cherry. You know cherry, the fruit cherry? Yes, these tomatoes are very small in size and so it is called a cherry tomatoes. What it is called, children? Repeat after me. Cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomatoes. Okay. They are small and round tomato that are the size of a cherry. Hence, the name is cherry tomatoes. They are used in variety of dishes and can also be eaten raw in salads. It is used in many dishes. I went in one restaurant. I saw it was used in salad. It was also used in pizza. But pizza is a junk food, so I don't prefer. I just saw when they were making pizza, when they served in some other table, I saw that the cherry tomatoes were used in that pizza. So, if you go to the restaurant, you can see in many dishes where this vegetable is seen. Okay, children, you have to remember this name, okay? The small tomatoes are called cherry tomatoes. Now, we'll see what is our next vegetable. Oh, do you know this? Anyone who can tell me what is the name of this vegetable? Come on, give a try. Anyone can tell me the name of this vegetable? Have you seen anywhere? No? Yes? Okay. Few children have seen and few children have not seen. It's okay. I will tell you the name of this vegetable. The name of this vegetable is broccoli. What it is called? Broccoli. Repeat after me, children. It is called broccoli. Now, broccoli can be eaten raw or cooked. It is very, very good for health and also fights against diseases. You know, this broccoli mostly I have seen it is used in salad. Okay, when we prepare a salad, tomato, cucumber, cabbage, onion, I have seen broccoli is also used there. But we have to clean this broccoli very nicely and then eat. We should boil this. Okay? Because sometimes there are insects inside the vegetables, right? So what we do always, we should first wash the vegetable or boil it and then eat, right? So this broccoli, we have to clean it very nicely and eat. But it is very good for health, very, very good for health. Okay? How it looks, it is looking like a cabbage and cauliflower, right? Because they are from the same family. Okay, so you have to remember this name. When I show you this picture next time, you are going to tell me, teacher, this is broccoli. Okay? Next. Now let's see which is our next vegetable. Have you seen this before? Yes? I can hear. Yes, you have seen this, right? Some are white in color, some are pink in color, and they have green color leaves on the top. What is this? This is spring onion. What is this? Spring onion. It is called as spring onion. Your mama must have bought this at home. She must have cooked for you. She must have made a vegetable of this. It is also used in many other dishes. Yes, but maybe you don't know the name of this vegetable, what it is called. So, it is called spring onion. The leaves of this onion, see. There is a leaves, right? This down are small onion. Up, there are big leaves up, okay? Even that leaves are used to make vegetable. We can make paratha, we can make vegetable, we can also use it in salads. It is very tasty, okay? Spring onions can be cooked and used raw in salads. It can be cooked, it can be used raw also in the salad. Spring onions not only taste great but are also very healthy for the body. Yes, the taste is also very good and it is also healthy for our body. Okay? Now, what is our next vegetable? Have you seen this vegetable before? Yes. I'm sure your mama must have surely brought this at home. This is mint leaves. These leaves are mint leaves. In Hindi it is called pudina. If you ask mama that do we use pudina? Yes, we use it. It is in English you will say as mint leaves. You will not say pudina. Okay? And you know where these leaves are used mostly? Do you eat pani puri? Yes. So the green water, the spicy water in pani puri is made of mint leaves. And one more leaves is used in that. I'll tell you later which leaves. Okay? But in that green water, the mint leaves are used. It is also used for some syrups. It is also used in salad. Then it is also used as a topping. It is also used in juices and beverages. Yes. Now, mint leaves can be added to food in both fresh and dried forms. The leaves have a fresh smell and used in tea, beverages and salads. So, are you all aware now what is mint leaves? Okay, now we'll see what is our next vegetable. Oh, I know this. I like this so much. I make paratha of this vegetable. I make sabji of this vegetable. And what else I make? I make so many things. You know what is this? This is called fenugreek leaves. This is called fenugreek leaves. Come on, repeat after me. What is this? This is fenugreek leaves. In Hindi, if you know, your mama makes this vegetable of methi. Yes, mama tells today I made sabji of methi, I made methi paratha. Yes, in Hindi it is called methi, but from now onwards, what are you going to tell? I ate fenugreek leaves vegetable. You ate fenugreek leaves vegetable. Okay, you will not tell methi. In English medium school you study, right? So we are going to use vegetable name in English. So this is called fenugreek leaves. Repeat after me, fenugreek leaves. Fenugreek leaves have been used as a food and medicine since ancient times. They are light green in color. They are used in paratha and many other dishes. Yes, it is very, very healthy. We just have to clean it, we have to cut it, chop it, and we have to make a vegetable of this. It's very nice, but you have to clean it very nicely. You have to rinse again and again in the water. Okay, because this vegetable grow in the ground, so it is muddy sometimes. So all vegetables are supposed to be clean nicely. Okay, and then use for the vegetable, then we can cook. Our next vegetable is, oh, can anyone tell me what is this? I'll give you one hint. It is seen in sambar. It is also seen in dal sometimes. And a vegetable can also be made by this. What is this? This is called drumstick. Repeat after me. This is called drumstick. It is very big. It is big like this in size, okay? It is standing a big like this. So, drumsticks are rich in calcium. You know calcium? Yes? If you drink milk, you get calcium in your body. Right? And how this calcium helps you? This makes your bones strong. You know, so drumstick makes your bones strong. They help to build strong bones. They are long and green in color. They are cooked and eaten as a vegetable. Okay, this can be cooked and eaten. We cannot eat it raw. Now, our next vegetable is, oh, what is this? Correct. I can hear somebody telling capsicum. Yes. But I will tell as bell pepper. Okay. What you will tell? Bell pepper. Come on, repeat after me. Bell pepper. Okay. So most of the time when we go to the market, we have seen this color bell pepper, right? But nowadays, red and yellow color are also available in the market. You can see all the three colors in the market now. All colors are seen in the market easily. Okay. And what are the uses of this bell pepper? It is used in, mostly it is used in Chinese dishes. You all eat noodles, right? Yes, this bell pepper is used in noodles, in Chinese dishes. It is also used in Italian dishes. Okay. We can make a vegetable, we can cook a vegetable of this. Okay. Now bell pepper are also known as capsicum. They are seen usually in three colors: red, green and yellow. Okay. This vegetable are also very healthy, and it gives wonderful taste in your vegetable. Next, our next vegetable is, you know what is this? Yes, your mama, this will be available at your home now. If you go to the kitchen right now and ask your mama that do we have this at home, your mama will show you. This is always most of the time available at home. You know why? Because this is used in making dal. It is also used in some vegetable. Yes, in most of the dishes it is used. In Hindi, Mama says kadi patta, but we will say curry leaves. What this is called? Curry leaves. Go and ask Mama. Mama, do you have curry leaves at home? Mama will say, what is curry leaves? Then you say, Mama, it is kadi patta. Kadi patta ko curry leaves we should say. Okay? This is curry leaves. Curry leaves are used in cooking and also for medicinal purpose. It is very good for your skin, your hair. It is very good. And for your eye also. They are used to add flavor to dishes such as curries, dals, etc. It is used in many curries and dals and many more things. Our next vegetable is turnip. Our next vegetable is turnip. Turnips are vegetables with a white color and purple top. They can be eaten raw or cooked. When you go to the market to buy vegetables with your mummy or daddy or grandmother, anyone next time, if you see this vegetable, you should tell, I know this vegetable is called turnip. Okay? Our next vegetable is, have you seen this? What is this? Yes, this is mushroom. This is mushroom. Now, you know where these mushrooms are seen? Mushroom is used and served as a vegetable in recipes. It is used in salad and toppings. It is very good for health. You know where I have seen mushroom? When I went to restaurant, I saw in a mixed vegetable. I ordered a mixed vegetable, and in that there was carrot, there were potato, there was mushroom, there was cauliflower. I saw mushroom there. It is very good for your health. I have also seen mushroom in pizza. Yes, so it is used in many different dishes. Next, our next vegetable is, what is this? Any guesses? Green beans. This is called green beans. Green beans are also known as French beans. You can tell this as a green beans also, and you can also call this as a French beans. They are delicious and are eaten as a vegetable. They have small seeds inside. Just now I told you, in a mixed vegetable they also use this green beans. It is also used in biryani and pulao. Yes, they are finely chopped and mama adds in many dishes. It is also very tasty. Okay, so what are you going to tell this? Green beans or a French beans? Okay. Our next vegetable is, you have seen this at your home. Yes, at most of the house and most of the time. It is used in your vegetable. Okay. What is this? This is called garlic. What is this? Garlic. Repeat after me. Garlic. At your home, it is known as lasoon. Right? Mama said that I have added lasoon in my vegetable. Tell your mama to show you lasoon. But what you will tell? You will tell garlic. You will not tell lasoon. You will tell garlic. Okay? Garlic grows in many parts of the world and is popular ingredient in cooking. It gives a good taste to your dishes. Okay? Garlic is used nowadays in paratha. It is also used in bread. You eat garlic bread? Yes, there is so much of garlic used in it, so it is known as garlic bread. It is used in sabji. It is also used in pav bhaji. In so many vegetable it is used. It gives a superb taste to the dish. Okay, the smell of a garlic is very strong and gives delicious taste when cooked. And you know this garlic is used for medicinal purpose also. if you eat this garlic, raw garlic every morning, one, then you will be always fit. There will be no disease or nothing will happen to you. Okay, this is a very good ingredient for our body. It is used as a medicine. Okay, it is a herb. It is used in a herb. Our next vegetable is lettuce. Our next vegetable, see, it is a very big leaf. Okay, they have a very big leaf and it is called lettuce. What it is called? Lettuce. Come on children, repeat after me. Lettuce. Okay, now lettuce is very healthy food which is usually used in making salad. uh, you know where I have seen this? I've seen in restaurant they brought a salad like this and there were big green leaves in that salad. So it is lettuce. It is very good for heart and for your brain. Okay, it is very good for your body. Our next vegetable is, you have seen this at your home, right? In we say this tenderly or something tenderly we say in Hindi, I don't know, but in English we are going to use as ivy gourd. What it is? Ivy gourd. Repeat after me. Ivy gourd. Ivy gourd is a very good for health. They are small in size. It is a one finger size maybe. It is not more than my bigger than my finger. Okay, it is small in size. They are green in color. Next, what is next? It's over. The session is over here. Now next time when there is your creative English period, I am going to show you few more vegetables which you don't know what it is called in English. So we are going to learn all those vegetable names in English very well and use the same word in our day-to-day life at home. Okay, when mama says this is lasun, you will say this is garlic. Okay, you are going to tell this vegetable name in English to your mummy and daddy. Okay children, take care, bye.